let's say that this understand, let's say some animals. So some animals, let's say if you take humans, the humans have also been categorized, can we say? The humans, those who can say that we have racial discriminations. So what is racial discrimination? The human race on the basis of color. The fair color is good, dark color is bad. That is categorization. This you can see. So that is how society has categorized. So general categorization, fair is good, dark is bad, but it is discrimination. No, discrimination and fair and lovely, you know that. There is a case against this company on this. You know, you cannot give this advertisement. This aspect. Anyhow, but society is, let's say, beauty. So those people who are beautiful, attractive, so this is how, let's say, that society like. Those people who are not, so they do not like, dislike. Likes and dislikes are also on the basis of beauty and ugly, positive and negative. Similarly, animals have also been categorized. You have pet animals. With the pet animals people like, but there are some other animals which people may not like. This, some animals are harmful, some animals are non-harmful. So society has categorized as, let's say, positive and negative. Similarly, some of the, let's say, terms, let's say, that you can say, characteristics, you can say, the way we have written. So beauty, love, truth, they have inherently positive quality. Right. Inherently the quality is positive, so they have positive object, and they have negative object. They are neutral. Act of walking, talking, they are neutral. Now they will become positive or negative as per circumstances. Can you say? They will become positive or negative as per circumstances. If you start eating in classroom, then it is negative. If you eat at home, so it is. If you eat in, let's say, restaurant, neutral, no, positive. Right. If you eat at home, so it is. If you eat at the time of eating, society has set time also. No, breakfast, lunch, dinner, time, isn't it? Suppose you want to do your lunch in evening, it is odd time. It would be not considered right. No, walking, so you can walk in parks in morning and evening. No, in morning and, suppose you start walking in Buddha garden in daytime, isn't it? It will be considered obstruction. Right. It will not be considered walking. It will be considered act of obstruction. अगर पुलिस वाले होंगे आसपास में तो आपको टो कर ले जाएंगे. Anyhow, what we are trying to say is that some of the objects have neutral aspects. Simply you should understand. But some objects are positive and negative. Right. Why we are teaching it? Not because of this. We are teaching because that in some circumstances, we have to act like negative, and circumstances will make them positive. Like lie. The act of lie is negative. But to save life of someone, you can lie. Can we say? To save someone, you can lie. This you can say. So, this is very popular. To save someone's life, you can say it is, person can lie. Like say Zew's example that we gave. So, to save life, you can lie, yes, they are not hiding. It is more acceptable than what Kant was saying. Kant version is not obvious. The obvious is, yes, we can lie to save life of people. The only thing is that you have to see whether circumstances, whether circumstances can be justified. Which circumstance? This. In all circumstances, it would not be justified. Can we say? Like, let's say that your friend is a doctor. You or your friend is a doctor. And you live in, let's say that, next light area. And police is, let's say, police is looking for doctor because there is, let's say that, allegation and police is going harsh on those people who may have somehow direct indirect link with Naxalites, and it is believed that the doctor may have given treatment in past to Naxalites, etc. The police somehow has doubt on doctor. So when police comes to arrest doctor, doctor rushes to you. Right. And he says that you let me hide in your house. So what you will say? Will you let him? Give it to police. Right.
Actions are correct in the most of it. Doctors have taken the hypocritical oath, so it was their duty to save the patient.
Yes, so this is not a case where you will say that to save lives you should lie. Right. Rather you should tell to police, rather than telling to police, you tell to your friend that he should not hide. He should not hide. Because if he thinks that he has not done anything wrong, he should have nothing to fear. You face the police. If you hide in police in his house and police comes to know later on, so you will also be culpable in that. This you can say. You should have faith in judicial system. And how long he will keep running. That's also, it is not a solution. So that's why, let's say, it is a situation that we told that not in all situations you can justify act of life for some bigger things. Can we say?
Welcome to LUKMAAN IAS. Study General Studies with LUKMAAN IAS for building comprehensive knowledge. GS paper 2 and 4 will be taken by S. Ansari and other papers will be covered by renowned faculties. Live classes are as effective as offline classes. The classes are highly interactive in nature. Your doubts and queries will be addressed and there will be dictation of notes. In the last 10 years, LUKMAAN IAS has set up a niche in the field of UPSC guidance.